To use Chase points for Southwest, you need to understand how to transfer and redeem your points effectively. First, you need to have a Chase credit card that earns ultimate rewards points, such as the Chase Sapphire Preferred or Chase Sapphire Reserve. Next, you should have a Southwest Rapid Rewards account, as this is where you will transfer your Chase points. To transfer your points, log into your Chase online account, navigate to the Ultimate Rewards portal, and click on the Transfer to Travel Partners option. Select Southwest Airlines as your transfer partner and enter the number of points you want to transfer. The transfer ratio is 1:1, meaning 1 Chase point is equal to 1 Southwest point. Once the points are transferred, you can use them to book Southwest flights. Log into your Southwest account and search for flights as you normally would. When you find a flight you want to book, select the option to pay with points. The number of points required for a flight will depend on the cash price of the flight, as Southwest has a revenue-based redemption system. Generally, you can expect to get around 1.5 to 1.7 cents per point in value when redeeming for Southwest flights. To get the most value out of your Chase points, consider transferring them to Southwest when you have a specific flight in mind. And be sure to compare the number of points required to the cash price of the flight to ensure you are getting a good deal. Additionally, keep in mind that Southwest has no blackout dates or change fees, making it a great option for redeeming your points. By following these steps and understanding how to transfer and redeem your Chase points for Southwest flights, you can make the most of your rewards and enjoy convenient and affordable travel.